Honorable Minister Tino Machakaire vaenda kuchipatara vachinovhizitira hama yavo zvavasangana nazvo ikoko zvaita kuti vaone kuti aiwa senyika leadership yatikundikana vakumbira President Mnangagwa kuti aiwa guys tatanyanyisa kuiginowa kuzvipatara ngatimbukandai ziso redu ikoko. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Zvatora hama yava Machakaire kuti vainde vanozvionera pamwe pacho tete tingotaura tichiita kunge tiri kuda ma likes vamwe vanotudza kuti zvakae mabasa patetiedza kuti nyaya idzi dzipedzisire dzasvika kwadzasvika. Vanyora ivo vakati, I visited one of our public health institutions this morning to see a relative and left deeply concerned by the conditions I witnessed. What I saw was deeply moving, a clear indication that many of our people are facing serious challenges. The growing public outcry of our healthcare system is not an exaggeration. It reflects the difficult experiences of many citizens. As your appointee and one whom you have tasked to speak for the young people of our great nation, I feel a solemn responsibility to speak openly. Sometimes in our desire to present progress, we may unintentionally overlook important realities on the ground. Your Excellency, you have earned the admiration of this nation for your compassion, humility, and tireless dedication to the welfare of ordinary citizens. Under your leadership, many have found renewed hope. It is because of this trust in your care for the people that I respectfully plead with you. Please find time from your busy schedule to visit these institutions yourself. There is no substitute for seeing, listening, and understanding firsthand what our citizens are going through. I also wish to commend those who have had the courage to raise their voices on matters of public interest. Their advocacy reflects a belief in the kind of leadership you represent, a leadership that listens, acts, and puts people first. President Emmerson Mnangagwa ndokubva vategwa apo. So Minister of Youth vatoenda vakanozvionera patete tichitaura kuti hakuna mapiritsi vanhu vari kuvata pamubhedha ine ngura unopora sei uchibaiwa jekiseni rechino asi uchivata panhu panokupa tetenasi ukasonegwa netusimbi tiya watobudamo wasengana netetenasi kuenda nayo kumba. Ndo zvatinenge tichitaura izvozvo, but anyway guys tete tichita kunge tiri kukanganisa president vedu, saka zvaita zvakanaka kuti pave nehama inorwara so that vaone zviri kuitika. When we talk about it tinonzi we are sponsored by the West. Hey, the guy talks about this nearly every day, kunyanya Hopewell, and because of that he is living in foreign countries in fear of his life. Takudzwa ngadzore anga achimirira CCC akaburitswa zvake atenda zvikuru Honorable Minister akati vedweka, thank you for admitting government failure to provide a functional health system. Unfortunately, it took you visiting a relative to witness this disaster. While we appreciate that you've reported the truth afterwards, please note that this is government responsibility to make sure health is for everyone. On another note, will it take you another moment of visiting your relative for you to see the bad roads? How about the unemployment that's affecting the young people? Okay, maybe this is mixing issues. Back to your note. You seem to be suggesting that the president is unaware of the status of our health situation. As an ordinary citizen, I'm more concerned about the actual steps to be taken, when and how. And this is because people are dying. As I'm typing this, we've lost a fellow Zimbabwean. We need to walk the talk. Tell us the steps and not the words. So guys, kurukutsvakwa accountability kune maminister uko. Kuti yes, thank you so much Honorable Machakaire. This is the highest level of leadership. Bravo Honorable, this is commendable. Magona chaiko. Saka muri kundudza kuti imi Minister of Youth ndimi munoona zviri kuitika nekuti mavisitor. Ko Minister of Health anodhila neministry every single day. Hasi kuona here. Recently there was Nick Mangwana kwaola 7 uko achibvunziwa kuti nhai minista zviri kufamba sei kuzvipatara, vakati isusu tiri kuedza kuti KEPS igone kugadzira mishonga yese, inini nditori nesi pachangu ende inini ndikanzi kugokwe hakuna mushonga ndikavapa paracetamol nechino then ndichitoziva kuti whatever they have is enough kuti vavhare mainfections ose. Yes, we give them mushonga unokwanirana, zvavari kutaura hatizvizivi. Guys, how do you say that as a minister kuti hatisi kuziva kuti vari kuti because we gave them enough when the nurses are saying there is nothing? Imi muri kuti there is enough. Chiko chiri kuitika. Thank you Vamachakaire for voicing what so many of us feel but often struggle to say. I recently lost a loved one under similar circumstances and the pain is still fresh. Visiting our public health institutions has become a heartbreaking experience. What should be a place of care and healing often feels like a place of despair. Real lives are being lost. Real families are grieving. We owe it to one another to keep speaking up, not to assign blame, but to push for the dignity and care every citizen deserves. Let's never lose our compassion, and may those we've lost not be in vain. The truth has been spoken. Zvarwadza. Nekuti kwenyu kwarwariwa, Minister. No offense yedu. Thank you for speaking the truth. Please do not beat around the bush. Just say, ZANU-PF government has failed to run this country. Right now, a power station was in flames in Southampton as a result of the equipment being too old. No stadium to play international games. Chinese people have taken over and they are destroying the environment. Teachers and lecturers are earning peanuts. You don't care because your kids go to private schools. Imi munorapiwa kunze kwenyika. Zvangozoita kuti hama yenyu irapwe pedo. Asi dei zvaibvira iri very immediate yaindiswa kuSingapore. The currency is not working. Roads are bad. No clean and safe water, no jobs, the industry is closed long back, no viable transportation for ordinary and low-income earners, no freedom. So is Emmerson Mnangagwa really running this country? O mama fia. Munotoita kutoudza kuti president kuma hospital kwadai. President chaivo vasingazivi kuti hospital dzenyika yavo dzakamira sei. The only thing you can do to the current cabinet handizivi kuti kuita sei chaizvo. Asi matadza, we have failed the citizens of the country. Vanhu vari kutaura macomments avo zvinhu zviri kubuda mumwoyo mavo kuti in as much as you have written an open letter, thank you for standing up and doing it right, but tiri kungoti since mavhura that channel, let us say what we want to say. Also bring to your attention the critical need for more dialysis centers across Zimbabwe, as well as the urgent importance of establishing renal transplant services within the country. As a kidney transplant patient myself, I understand firsthand the immense challenges faced by those living with end-stage renal disease. I had my transplant done in South Africa, which, while life-saving, was both emotionally and financially overwhelming. Sadly, not all patients are able to access such treatment abroad due to high cost and logistical barriers. Zimbabwe currently faces a severe shortage of dialysis units, especially in rural and underserved areas. Many patients are forced to travel long distance multiple times a week for dialysis, which is not only unsustainable but also life-threatening for those who cannot afford consistent treatment. The lack of a local transplant program further compounds the issue, leaving patients with few options, and often option is one, no hope, and death. I humbly appeal to your office to consider prioritizing the establishment of additional centers. Thank you for your time and dedication. I think President Mnangagwa is working tirelessly. Devamwewo avo vari kuuyawo nezvavo. Guys, vari kutaura 2022 Matter Day was equipped ne-cardiac scanner. UBH was upgraded on several occasions. President Mnangagwa commissioned ambulance at Pararanyatua pakaitwa pediatric theater and all. Yes, despite all these things, guys, we understand kuti they are doing something, but tiri kuti pane vanhu vari kutofa vachishayigwa maplaster. Yes, maambulance ariko, mafire truck akauya nemahelicopter nezvi, but hazvisi kutibatsira, guys. Hazvisi. For example, there was an accident along Harare Masvingo where victims of the accidents were bandaged with cardboard boxes. It was all over social media you never cared to raise the issue. Tatenda Pinjisa akashaikawo, and it never got to you. Now because it's your relative who is not rich as you, it must get the attention of the president. Must we pray that our relatives that are not rich, your relatives, should get ill and be admitted in these horrible hospitals so that we get attention from the hospital? Those are the conditions that most of our folks are losing their lives. It's an everyday reality way. Thank you, Honorable Minister. With all due respect. So people in high offices have no idea what is going on with the general populace here. Is there a disconnect? If so, then who are they leading when they do not know about the issues affecting the people they lead on a daily basis? Seka tipindureiwo. So ndo zviri kubva mumastreets kuti yes, in as much as it took a relative of yours to get ill so that you send a message to the president, zviri nani tinamatira kuti hama dzenyu dzistake kusina marodzi, tonamatira kuti dzishaya chikafu, kuti mugo actor upon what the citizens want. No, we cannot do that, guys. Let's all be human. We are humans first before we are relatives or anything like that. Ngatishandei pamwe chete senyika to make sure kuti we get everything that we need, and we get maroads agadzigwe, hospitals, industries amuke, pave ne employment creation, pane kuti munhu wese akuita maskiti pa Facebook. Zvakaoma kani.